feed Daddy.
Can I have some of your raspberries?
Oh, that is so sweet of you, Audrey.
Thank you.
You are so sweet.
Oh.
You're feeding
Very
Daddy.
fast.
Yeah. Oh, you are such a sweetie.
Oh.
Oops, fell.
Thank you.
Thank you, little Audrey.
Thank you for sharing
Daddy's
your raspberries.
so grateful.
Did you want to eat one? Here, let me feed you. You want one?
He's like, that's not how it works, Daddy. It's like, let me feed you. Oops. She's on a mission.
Thank you.
So sweet. Sweet little Audrey. Aww. Oh, she's like, I'm gonna have some more for you, Daddy.
Okay.
Oh, she loves feeding you, baby. Oh,
Thank you.
so sweet. Oh. Daddy, Daddy.